Good morning today mbatwala ku speed. Mwasuze mutya basebo ne banyabo. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching to the industry with Kaka. I appreciate, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Now today, wait a minute, it's February. Happy new month. I hope January was kind to you guys and you yourself was kind to yourself and to other people around you. Happy new month. Blessings. Today I want to talk about the things that people are they myth, are they beliefs that people think they can't do this and this because this and this doesn't happen. And one, I want to start with a driving permit. So there's a time I was talking to a friend and he told me I can't get a driving permit because every time I get a driving permit the police doesn't stop me. So it's a waste of my money. And I want to use myself as an example. When I didn't have a driving permit, every stage the police guys would stop me. And I mean, most of you have gone through that. Then you start getting fines, you start getting vibalwa. Like, guys, get your driving permit, because driving permits are 100,000 for 1 year, 200,000 for 3 years, 300,000 for 5 years. So just get your permit and solve all these issues. Don't wait for the guys to get you or you're panicking. You know you're not at peace at yourself. Just get your damn self a driving permit. Yeah? Let's get our driving permits, guys. You can't afford to be paying fines of 100,000, 200 just because you're saving 100,000, which is going to last you for 1 year, for example. 200,000 is going to last you for 3 years. Let's be good citizens. Uganda tunyigana, yeah? Let's be good citizens. So that's about the driving permit. People don't get driving permits. One of the beliefs that people have when they have driving permits, nobody stops them. So guys, get your driving permits. 2, health insurance. This one, I think every Ugandan thinks when they get health insurance, they will never get sick. And that is probably 50%, 80% true. They're like, when you get health insurance, you don't get sick. So why should I spend my money for years and then I never get sick? And that's where now I come in. I'm like, yeah, who wants to get sick first of all? I don't want to get sick. So if getting health insurance won't get me sick, then let me get the health insurance so that I don't get sick, right? But guys, we all know these days, if you go for consultation in a hospital, the least you're going to pay is like 15K. Like, that is the cheapest consultation you're going to pay. And then the cheapest test will be lab test is like 10K. I don't know if there's a lab test that costs 5K. So guys, still on that health insurance policy that people are like, I will not pay my millions and millions and then I spend a whole year without getting sick. Now me, I believe I would rather pay that 1 million that is going to last me a year and then I don't get sick. It is okay, because health is wealth, you guys. If you're healthy, even if you don't have money on your bank account, my friend, that is wealth enough. So guys, let's get in the habit of getting health insurance. I'm a big advocate. I'm big on health insurance. I don't like spending money in hospitals. I don't like getting to hospital and then I have to pay at every point. You're consulting, pay. You want to go to the lab, first pay. You want to go and say, first pay. You want this drug, first pay. Like, you're literally spending money at every corner in the hospital. Why? That said, today we are going to talk about health insurance. What it takes, and I'm going to share my experience with health insurance. Now, to those who are working for companies, I mean the corporates, you have no idea even what these things are, because your company is probably catering for that. They've given you insurance cover, they've given you fuel, so you have no idea what's going on or how much it costs. You know, you just walk into your hospital, swipe my card, I'm here. You don't even know how much it's costing. You don't even know how much consultation is, because I mean your company has taken care of the costs. You have no idea how much insurance is. So today I'm here for Amuyiribi, Afero Muyiribi, the business people who have no one to cover their medical insurance. I'm here for you guys and I'm advocating for you. Please, let's get health insurance. Let me share with you some of the things Before we get into health insurance, have you bought your hoodies, guys? Kids are going back to school. Some of you are pretending like you don't know kids are going back to school next week, and you come here last minute. I will blast you. In fact, if you come last minute for hoodies next week, I'm charging ×2. The kid hoodies are 45,000. Next week they will be 90,000. I'm kidding not. Adult, the adult hoodies are 50K. I'll be charging 100,000 next week. So guys, health insurance. What I was saying, buy hoodies so you don't get sick, right? Apart from getting health insurance, take care of your bodies, take care of your hearts, your lungs. You're on a border, guys. Take care of yourself. So back to health insurance. Yeah, let's get in. Now, one, there's so many packages on the market that most insurance people don't tell you about. In fact, I think health insurance companies are not doing enough to educate Ugandans. So connect to me kirize today and I teach you a little bit. One, if you can actually come up with a group of say 15 people to 20 people, collect yourselves a group of 10 to 15 people, 20 people. The more numbers, of course, the cheaper, because then you have more bargaining power. So you can get AR insurance. I think that will be like 500,000 to, or from 400,000 to 700, depending on the numbers. Again, the more numbers, the more bargaining power you have. That is per person per year. And don't say that me, I've signed up and I have a kid, so I pay the same money. No, every child you bring on board, you pay for them. That's one tip. That was tip 1. You can organize yourselves in groups of 10s, 20, 50 to 100, depending. Or if you have a company and you'd like your staff to get on the medical cover, you can register them. They'll just need your, I think, your letters of incorporation, and I think trading license, something like that. Yes, and it's cheaper when you're in groups. Now, to those who are like, I don't have a group, or I don't work for a company, or my company doesn't have enough staff, and so you want to sign up for yourself or for your family, you can go for private signups. Now, when you go for private signups, most times they're a bit pricey. There's Jubilee, there's UAP, there's Prudential, and so many others. Sorry if I don't mention your insurance company. That means I'm not familiar with it, or you haven't contacted me. You haven't tried to sell anything to me. So yeah, when you go for individual packages, it's a bit pricey. You're going to pay. Meanwhile, the things you guys don't pay for. My hand is paining. Can you sponsor me for a camera stand? I'm tired. So yes, back to individual health insurance package. This is a bit pricey. If you go for individual, you're going to pay 1 million and above for your child, for yourself, each individual. But trust me, like we said, health is wealth. But I bring you good news. With Prudential and Stanbic partnership, these guys partnered together, Stanbic and Prudential, to bring you a slightly affordable package. Prudential muja kumpachi banange. I'm here advertising. Am I advertising? Okay, I'm educating people at zero cost. Muliwa pay yoka commission. Anyway, so Prudential and Stanbic are in partnership for medical insurance. And don't read my names. This partnership between Stanbic Bank and Prudential is called Stanbic Medi Protect. ProMed. Yeah? ProMed. So yes, these guys are in partnership and they have a package that has three what do they call it? Three tiers. 1 is 600,000 per year, 2 is 1 million per year, and then 3 is 2 million per year. So you fall in the category that you can afford. I think that is silver, gold, and is it bronze? Oh, I don't know. But the cheapest package is 600,000, and I found it very interesting, because you're not going to get a medical cover as an individual at 600,000 that is going to last you for a year. Trust me, guys, you're not going to get it anywhere on the market. 2, you can go for 1 million cover. Still, it takes you for a year, and that is per person. Whether you have a kid, it's. I know the next questions are going to be about what do I get if I pay 600,000? What do I get if I pay 1 million? I think now that you should leave those comments or those questions in my comment section. Leave them there and I will answer them. But quickly, to take you through what it takes. If you're going to pay for 600,000. First of all, I have the contacts that can help you take you through the whole process. There's even no process, guys. Everything is done on your fingertips, on your phone. You just register online. You can even pay online using your mobile money or your card. Everything is online, and you'll be able to get your card within a week. So the thing is, 600,000, you'll be able to get a cover of inpatient, outpatient. You'll be getting dental, you'll be getting optical, guys, all those benefits are on your medical cover, the things that we don't think about. So now, if you're really interested, get to Stanbic Bank. They'll help you, or get Prudential and tell them you want the package that is in partnership with Stanbic. Because if you got Prudential as an individual, you're going to pay more money. So I'm giving you a tip. Ask them for the package between Stanbic and Prudential partnership, and then you pay online, or you can go and pay cash at the bank, or you can ask the Prudential guys to guide you on how to pay, and you'll get your medical card within a week, and you'll be able to access medical services. But one thing I must warn the ladies: please do not go for this medical cover with the intention of getting pregnant this year. Ladies, once again, do not get this medical insurance with the intention of getting pregnant, because it's not going to cover you. You see, the insurance companies are not telling you, but over the years, they notice ladies when they want to get pregnant, or when they notice they are pregnant, they sign up for these medical insurance policies, because they know it will cater for their maternity and delivery. So what they did, if you are a first-time insurance policy holder, you're not entitled to maternity cover. Sad. Until the year is done, then the next year, if you sign up again, then there you're entitled. So ladies, sad. Carry your babies in peace. Let that man who impregnated you pay for the medical bills this year, and then wait for 12 months, and you'll be able to access your medical, maternity cover the following year. They also don't cover some, I think, major medical conditions, like big surgeries, until 12 months have passed. So yeah, that I must warn you. Do not raise. I feel like I've shared a lot. Let's get medical cover. 600,000. You're going to spend more than 600,000 in a year. Trust me. So get your medical insurance cover at 600,000, the lowest. And of course, the more you pay, the more coverage you have. For example, as someone who has paid 1 million, they are going to get optical 500,000, compared to someone who has paid 600,000, who get optical cover, I think, of 150. So guys, 1 million, if you divide it into 12 months, is cheaper than you walking into hospital and you leave 500,000 there at once. And again, if it's not going to make you sick by getting a medical cover, I think then everyone should get. Because if it means that when you get a medical cover, you don't get sick, then I think everyone should get a medical cover, right? But also, stay hydrated. Drink juice, drink water. Bread is not healthy, but what is life? Once again, I have my cover. You're looking out to sign up with Jubilee. There is a contact person in Jubilee. She can help you. There is a contact person in UAP. There's a contact person in Prudential. There's a contact person in Stanbic Bank. Shout out all my contacts. Guys, I'm here for you. Please sign up for health insurance. Get your driving permit. I'll be talking more about the motor vehicle insurance next time. I love you guys. Please subscribe. I don't even know why you haven't subscribed. Like, am I that bad? Am I not so appealing? And Chimanyo Luzung through America. But guys, it doesn't put bread on my table. You guys, my local people, put bread on my table. So subscribe, share, and like. I love you guys.